Infoman here, and welcome to my Duel-Shock review. Inside this video, I'm going to go ahead and take you through the members area, which you're looking at right now. I'm going to go ahead and show you the sales page, the upsells, the prices, and if you stick with me, I'm going to show you some of the high-quality custom bonuses that I have for you if you decide to purchase Duel-Shock from me in the link down below in the description of this video. So what is Duel-Shock? Duel-Shock is all about buyer traffic. Duel-Shock is a training course by Aidan Corkery, and it shows you how to get buyer traffic using Facebook and then how to take that free traffic from Facebook and send it to your mini chat bot list or to your email list, and then how to promote affiliate offers to that free traffic that you got from Facebook. Super high quality training from Aidan here. So this is the members area. In just a few moments, I'm going to go ahead and show you all of the videos and show you exactly what you're going to get inside of Duel-Shock. But let's go ahead and first take a look at the bonus page and the sales page of Duel-Shock. So this is my bonus page. You get there from clicking on the link down below this video inside the description. I'm going to go over all these bonuses in just a sec, but just to get to the sales page, you're going to go ahead and click on any of these green buttons. It will take you to the sales page, which looks like this. And then you can go through the sales page on your own time and take a look at all the good information. So as you can see here, it's by Aidan and Fergal. This course is brought to you by them. It teaches you how to use messenger bots as well as email marketing. And then he has a bunch of proof that he has gotten subscribers from this on his bot list and on his email list. He's also going to give you some income proof down below. It's a very well put together sales page. Come check it out on your own time. It gives you a lot of information about what the course is all about. So come check it out. So back to my bonuses. So I'm going to be offering you some custom bonuses if you decide to purchase Duel-Shock from me. Bonus number one that you're going to get from me is unlimited YouTube traffic. So I believe that you are supposed to have multiple ways of getting traffic to that affiliate link so that you can get more sales. So Duel-Shock's going to teach you how to get free traffic from Facebook using your profile, as well as using Facebook groups and all kinds of different things like that. But this bonus right here, unlimited YouTube traffic, is going to teach you how to rank YouTube videos, specifically affiliate review videos. And I'm going to teach you some secret strategies that nobody else is really releasing because they are effective in ranking your videos. So this is a high quality custom video bonus done by me. Bonus number two is unlimited Quora traffic. This is also going to teach you how to rank on Quora and how to get traffic to your affiliate links using Quora by answering questions on Quora with valuable answers and then sending that affiliate traffic to your bonus page, to your blog, to a video, or to affiliate links, whatever you would like to do with that. Bonus number three is secret Gmail traffic. So this is going to teach you how to access people's Gmail accounts and to promote products on those accounts and promote affiliate links so that you can grow your list, make commissions, and just earn money from people's Gmail accounts. It's a high quality video course that's offered by Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mace. It's going to give you a bunch of value in there. Bonus number four is a Facebook traffic course. This is going to teach you how to get viral traffic from Facebook, how to use Facebook groups for free traffic, and how to get targeted traffic in basically any niche. You can use this in affiliate marketing. Pair this with the dual traffic method and you're going to be getting tons of traffic to your affiliate links. So these are my bonuses for Duel-Shock traffic. Let's go ahead and take a look at the members area. So here's the members area for Duel-Shock buyer traffic, and as you can see, it's built inside of ClickFunnels. It's very well done. He has a few links here that you can go ahead and join his Facebook buyer group. You can go ahead and register for a webinar that's coming up. You can go ahead and add him for private coaching on his Facebook profile. And you can take a look at his YouTube. So he has all those links there. As for the videos, he's going to offer you a welcome video. Then he's going to move on into module number one, which is going to go ahead and cover the overview. And he's going to give you a live demonstration of what Duel-Shock is and how this method works and some of his own live stats in that module. Module number two is going to be all about building an audience, and how you're going to be building an audience is with your Facebook profile. He's going to teach you how to drive free buyer traffic from Facebook groups to add them onto your friend list on your personal profile and then market to them, which will be taught in number 3. It's going to show you case studies. It's going to show you how to build a valuable bonus to get people's attention on Facebook so that they so that they comment on your posts, and then you can go ahead and get them onto your bot list and your email list. So lots of valuable information there. He teaches you how to mail out to your list. He teaches you some more case studies. He teaches you a case study that he did for Funnelize, and then one for Tripwire, and then a second video for Tripwire. These are all case studies that he did personally, and these are offered inside the main training. So these aren't the upsells. So that's all good stuff right there. Then he has the upgrades, which I'm going to talk about right now, and you can find out all the information on my bonus page. So the front end is going to get you all that content and all those videos that I showed you previously, and that's going to be starting at $12.95. Then it's going to go up on a dime sale to $14.95. So get it while it's early at that $12.95. Upsell number 1 is going to be the Done For You bundle. So this is going to be starting at $37, but if you click no, I'm not interested in this offer at the bottom of that page, it's going to get you that $27 price. So go for that one. So this is going to give you guaranteed approval to promote high converting affiliate offers that you can use on your Facebook profile and get a bunch of clicks and get a bunch of affiliate sales from those offers. It's also going to teach you how to use Done For You coupons. He's also going to give you eye-grabbing voucher images that he uses personally to get clicks, Done For You Facebook posts for each approved offer that you have, mini chat follow-up sequences to improve your conversions, and all kinds of lead magnets and 100% resale rights to drive new buyer leads into your business. So tons of value in that Done For You bundle. Upsell number 2 is Extractor case studies. This is going to be starting at $17, but you can get it at $12 on the downsell price. This is going to teach you how to get people from Facebook onto your bot easier and with less work, because he's going to show you more case studies that he has tried and tested with different techniques, and it's going to show you proven ways of how he's doing it in these case studies. Next is upsell number 3. That should say 3 there, and that should say 4. But this is upsell number 3 here, and this is one-on-one coaching for $97. So this is going to be a coaching program where he's going to take you by the hand, and he's going to show you how to do this method in depth. It's going to be one-on-one coaching. Enough said. So very high valuable bonus right there for $97. You don't get that very often at that price for one-on-one coaching from someone who's making 6 figures online. Upsell number 4 is going to be reseller rights at $67. This allows you to basically take Duel-Shock buyer traffic course and sell it as your own product and get 100% of the profits from the funnel, and you get to keep it all. So as an affiliate, you usually get to keep 100% of the front end offer and then 50% of the back end offers. But with a $67 price here, you can basically purchase Duel-Shock as your own product and then get 100% of the profits within the funnel. So those are the upsells and the prices. Go ahead and check it out on my bonus page. And these are all of the videos that you're going to be getting inside of Duel-Shock. So I hope that you appreciated this review. I am Infoman, and I will see you next time.